to our dear parents, teachers, and distinguished guests. It's a great day today at Grace Drive Christian School. On behalf of my fellow Grace Striders, I warmly welcome you all to our second Moving Up and Recognition Day. Today is a very special day as we celebrate our hard work, growth, and support and love of our parents, teachers, and friends. We have learned so much, not just in our lessons, but also in kindness, patience, and faith. As Philippians 4:13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So sit back and relax and let us all enjoy this moment together. Thank you and again welcome to our second Moving Up and Recognition Day of Great Strides Christian School. My fellow Great Striders, araw natin